Defenestrate. To throw out of a window. He defenestrated the old chair. They joked about defenestrating the broken TV. Embolden. To give courage. The speech emboldened the team. She felt emboldened to speak out. Gambol. To leap or skip about playfully. The puppies gamboled in the yard. Children gamboled through the fields. Hobnob. To socialize with high-status people. He loves to hobnob with celebrities. She hobnobbed at the gala last night. He loves to hobnob with celebrities. She hobnobbed at the gala last night. Kowtow. To act in an overly subservient manner. He refused to kowtow to a boss. She doesn't kowtow to anyone. Lament. To express sorrow. They lamented the loss of their friend. She lamented her missed opportunities. Yoke. To join together. The farmers yoked the oxen for plowing. They yoked their efforts for the community project. Accost. To approach boldly. He was accosted by a stranger. She accosted him with questions. Cower. To crouch down in fear. The dog cowered at the loud noise. She cowered in the corner during the storm. Dawdle. To waste time or move slowly. Don't dawdle on your way to school. He dawdled while everyone else worked. Frolic. To play and move about cheerfully. The kids frolicked in the park. Puppies love to frolic in the grass. Grapple. To struggle with something. He grappled with the problem for hours. She grappled with her emotions. Hasten. To hurry or speed up. They hastened to finish the project. She hastened her steps to catch the bus. Ignite. To set fire to something. The spark ignited the wood. Her passion ignited a movement. Squabble. To argue noisily about something unimportant. They squabbled about whose turn it was to the dishes. The siblings squabbled over who got the last piece of cake. Smirk. To smile in a self-satisfied or sarcastic way. He smirked when he realized he had won the argument. She smirked at her friend's mistake. Flaunt. To show off something, especially in a way that attracts attention. She flaunted her new dress at the party. He flaunted his achievements on social media. Abscond. To leave secretly. He absconded with the money. They absconded before the police arrived. Beguile. To charm or enchant. She beguiled him with her smile. The story beguiled the children. Cajole. To persuade with flattery. She tried to cajole him into going. He cajoled her to change her mind.